We might seem strange to you, and sometimes we talk dumb, but you've been teaching us, and you should understand where we come from. We're the generation that makes your mind tick. Don't take advantage of us, don't try to be slick. The clock is ticking, now it's our turn to grow. Don't stop the young folks, let us go. Learn to believe, get out of the way. We're not playing your borderline game today. You see, what you caused was a game of destruction. This, that, and it, you was stone cold luncheon. Just as we managed to bring the birds down, you came up with something else to oppress the town. You better make a way for the young folks. That's right, sit down, because it's gotten cold. Don't take the young folk back, we let them go for the gold. Cause what's done is done, and now we gotta move on. Can't you feel the temperature is starting to get warm? Let us reach the top, stop playing silly games. Cause what you messed up, we're trying to reclaim. I know it wasn't your fault, and we all get caught a time or two. But let's think pleasant thoughts. Now here's what we gotta do. We gotta move on, no matter what we did in the past. Drop the who, drop kick what, and who's gonna be last. What I mean is God is numbered us all. And if you weren't anointed, you can't make a bias call. Technology is important, don't close the door on us, or else you hear us making a big, big fuss. Because we know how unfair you are sometimes. That's the reason why I came up with another rebel rhyme. Just as we managed to break the barriers down, you came up with something else to oppress the town. You better make a way for the young folks. We're the young and strong, fearless and naive, but we have something that will make you breathe. We have life, and we're living to the fullest. We're the young folks. There's no need for bullets. Wars and destructions are things of the past. Let us surface. Don't make us last. You gotta sellin' drugs in order to make big green, but we'd rather go to college on a more positive scene. We like to excel, so we spike the hell with the young folks. So to hell with a cell. We want success in all our endeavors. We want to keep this world and preserve it forever. But it's kinda hard when the green is short, and it's even worse when the young folks are sold and bought. Now here's a thought, and this is just for you. We gotta make a way for the young folks. You see, what you caused was a game of destruction. We gotta make a way for the young folks. This, that, and it, you were stone cold luncheon. We gotta make a way for the young folks. We gotta make a way for the young folks. You see, what you caused was a game of destruction. This, that, and it, you were stone cold luncheon. Just as we managed to break the birds down, you came up with something else to oppress the town. Listen up. You gotta make a way for the young folks.